Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to update your Shadowgun Legends application on your mobile device. To update Shadowgun Legends, first of all go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. In the search box type in Shadowgun Legends. Look for this application and once you get to this page, look if there is an update button available. If there is one, tap on update to download the latest version of Shadowgun Legends on your mobile device. Once it is done, you can go ahead and use your latest updated app right on your mobile device, quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.